first, I'm going to be using the Saint Beauty Cream. I'm just using this as a moisturizer. One thing a lot of people forget to do is to prep their face. I always recommend doing this at least 5 to 10 minutes before you do your makeup. It is a little thick, so use it sparingly. Next, I'm going to be going in with a little bit of the Hydro Grip Primer. I'm going to be using some tape to create a winged liner. This is for sure a hack if you can never get your angle straight. So I just start at my lower lash line about like a 1/4 inch below it and just like press that in a little bit.
Look at how my skin is like already like glowing from that, you guys.
I have nothing on my face besides the Saint Beauty Cream, the Hydro Grip Primer. Skincare is where it's at. If you are like every other human being in the world, your face probably isn't symmetrical, so your eyes are not 100% symmetrical, so don't be hard on yourself.
Okay, so I just brought you guys in a little bit closer so you can see.
I'm gonna go in starting with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Taupe. And if you wanna make your eyebrows look a little bit more pronounced, bring your tip in the front down a little bit further than your natural hair growth. And this will just give you just like a little bit more of like an arched brow, a little bit more surprised look, if that's your thing. I'm taking a flat shader brush, grabbing a little bit of that foundation. So this is just a cream foundation. On the website, they call them highlights and contour shades. That for sure confused me at first because I was like, what do you mean there's no foundation? What I'm going to be trying to achieve today is eyeliner with shadow. So that's why I have the tape here so that we don't even have to do eyeliner because I love simplifying things. So we're going to start from like lighter to darker. So I'm going to start with this pink mauve color here and we're just going to be putting that on the lid. Pinks and purples are good for all eye colors. I'm gonna grab this mauve color. I'm gonna be putting it on the outer half of my eye. Super, super easy. Once it's kind of applied, then I'm doing little mini circles and just blending it out. And you can really do this with any color combination, any kind of like monochromatic color scheme you want. Start with light and go to dark, and you can build up this look. We're taking it all the way out to the tape. So this is gonna be a purpley pink shimmer, and we're gonna place that right in the center. Now we're gonna take Anastasia, which is a little bit more of a gold base pink, and we're just gonna be putting that in the inner corner. For Star Palette Bloodlust, I'm gonna be grabbing Coma. This is just a really dark purple shade, and we're just gonna be putting that right on the tape line, and that's why we have this tape here. You can make this as dark or as light as you want. Swiping is going to take more product off. Patting is going to give you more pigmentation. And I know we're kind of mixing like warm and cool tones, but sometimes you can do that and sometimes it works. Like I always say, there's really no rules in makeup. However you feel confident is how you should wear your makeup. There's obviously like tips and tricks on how to enhance your look. But a lot of people don't wear makeup to enhance their look. They wear it to be creative and whatever. So you can do whatever you want. If you do choose to wear shadows on your lower lash line, just remember that darkness underneath your eye does close your eye up. So if you have small eyes and you want them to appear bigger, don't do that. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil, and this is in the color Strawberry Milk. We're just gonna be putting that through my lash line. My waterline, I should say. So after I do the Strawberry Milk, I'm just grabbing that shader brush again that has that deep purple in it, and I'm just gonna bring it down just on the outer corner of my eye. And then we're gonna peel off the tape. Yes. And if you guys do have anything that slipped under the tape, just grab a Q-tip and some makeup remover and clean up your edges, and you should be good. I'm gonna grab my Saint highlight, and we're gonna start with Candlelit, And I'm just gonna be putting that all over the places that are my highlight areas. So consider this like your foundation. And now we're gonna go in with a contour shade. I'm gonna be using Ash. Okay guys, so for our lips, I am gonna be going in with the MAC lip pencil in Whirl. Whirl has been a favorite of mine forever. I always overline my lips in the center, not on the outside. I think I'm gonna go in with one of the Saint Lip and Cheeks. This one is nude. This is like the #1 color I recommend to everyone. Because like, look at that color. That is so beautiful. It matches perfect with my Whirl. I do love nude. Next, we're gonna be doing mascara. I'm gonna be taking my Milk mascara and I'm just gonna be applying 2 coats of that to add some thickness on my upper lash line, and then we're gonna move on to lashes.
You guys, look at this foundation. Are you kidding me? Look how like hydrated, shiny my face looks. Wow.
Okay guys, so this again, I've already used this lash once. It is a Ardell Wispy lash and I've just cut off half of it.
I have these like little teeny mini like hairs in here and I'm just like, why? Why you do that to me?
And you want to get it as close to your lash line as possible, but on the same token, if you're putting your lashes, your false lashes on your lashes, you will be pulling some of your real lashes out. Now, do I care? No. Do you care? Possibly. So just be careful. Cool.
Are we focused? Are we focused? Okay.
All right, you guys, so this is where I'm stopping with the wearable makeup look for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna switch gears a little bit and go right into a hair tutorial. So I'm gonna snap my fingers and now my hair is done. I just did some bubble braids into my extensions and I did a little wave through everything. I did a tutorial. It's on my Instagram and you guys can check it down below. I will link it. So make sure you follow me there. I do a lot more video content on Instagram, but I am gonna be, you know, trying to do more on YouTube. It's just I don't always get stuff done. So what I'm actually gonna do is change my shirt really quick because white is not the vibe. This is better. I always throw on just like a loose tee, preferably black. I don't know what I'm doing for this look yet, so I am just going to be putting some music over this and speeding it up while I go through everything, so enjoy.
At the lot, told them fuck 12 at the swap, busting all the bells of the box. I just hit a lick with a box, had to put a stick in a box. Pour up the whole and seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we chopping like the 80s. Yeah, she sucked her soul, got a cash inside. Told her wipe her nose, taste that slack. I won't ever sell my soul. I can back that, and I really wanna know where you at. I was up back with a stash at, cause the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know this, with a bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Dudes tryna get me, find my water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had a Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of dudes out here playing and ballin'. Got a whole arm and a wrist, it's Carter. And I know she really got a key for a killer. So they really slid double C's that I do it. And I got a bitch skin like a leash model. I got the pink slip, all the whips, key. Nothing but I go and get the key to the seat. We going in the coupe at the lot, told them fuck 12 at the swap, busting all the bells of the box. I just hit a lick with a box, had to put a stick in a box. Pour up the whole and seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we chopping like the 80s. Yeah, she sucked the soul, gotta cash that. Told her wipe her nose, taste that slack. I won't ever sell my soul. I can back that, and I really wanna know where you at. I've been moving them out. They still with me, I ain't got a bruise no pout. Back to the forest, put the wood in the mouth. Bitch, don't wear no shit.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed watching me transition my wearable look to this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!